Hey, how you doing today? Never seen these shell toes like dipped in bronze or something like that. That's pretty interesting. Here in the women's section, we got some Under Armours, 44 bucks compared to 83 bucks. This colorway is not too bad. What do you guys think about these? I like the way these Reeboks look. 39 bucks for these. Can't be no more than $80. This is why we're gonna leave them. But I do like the colorway. What do you guys think about these? Got some more of these shell toes, $44 for the ladies. What size is this? 6.5. The gold hints all around the shoe. We definitely seen this at a previous one. I passed on it because the comps just aren't there. This just looks so fake right here. I don't know what that is. What do you guys think about these? And if you did flip them, go ahead and comment down below how much you got for them. Okay, in the women's section, we find something very interesting. I do like the color combination of this. I forgot what this silhouette is called. 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys think about these? They are asking $49 for them. I definitely think that's a little bit too high priced. Size 7. We'll look them up to see what they're talking about, but what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Colorway's pretty dope. Looking them up on eBay, $79.94, $139 from Korea, $105. Of course, we're gonna check these comps and see if it's anything worth it. They're asking $50 for these here, $49.99. Where is it at? Sold comps. Nothing has sold yet. If you guys have sold this street ball Adidas, let me know in the comment section below. You find another pair of these. What size is this one? Also a size 7. Wish they popped up, man. You know what I mean? Or wish they had more of a value to them. Lowest people are asking size 7 is 113 on this other platform. For the ladies, I found some more Under Armour hovers, 44 bucks. Don't seem like it has any value to me. Let me know what you guys think about these though. Maybe you guys know about them more than I do. Interesting. How many of them do they have here, man? That's crazy. So we got 2. So we have an Adidas day. Let me know what you guys think about these. And if you guys have sold these before, let me know how much you guys got for them. $50, comps for about $100. 80 to 100 bucks. I think that's a pretty good profit. Size 7. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. So we're gonna take these and put these on hold. Put these on hold and then go look at the women's active, men's active, and men's sneakers, you dig? Okay, so after looking around, man, these are the best finds that we came across as far as the shoes are concerned. Not too much of the clothes. Let me know what you guys think. So while checking out here over in the women's section for $12.99, regular tag $65. We got this women's soccer jersey. Unfortunately, this does not come up when I scan it for Amazon. We're gonna hold this here to make our decision finally at the end. Maybe I'll take a shot at this on eBay, but I do like the jersey. I do like the jersey colorway. Now look at this right here. As I'm looking over here, what is this? Okay, $90, $12.99. This right here might be the banger. This right here might be the banger. Please let it come up when I scan it, boy. $12.99 for 90. I like that. Especially this time of year, not gonna be too much sitting around. Okay, unfortunately, both of these say the same result. They do not come up. $12.99 for 90, $12.99 for 60. I like them both. As it looks like right now, I'm gonna get these along with those shoes. This is how we're gonna rock. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Sliding through all this stuff, there's nothing else here for me. This Under Armour thing didn't really do well for me anyway. Checked out a few stuff here and there was nothing really popping besides those 2 jerseys. So let's go check out the men's active and men's sneakers upstairs. But we will be taking, what's this? Heel figure. Just looking on the other side while I'm on this side. But we will be taking these 2 with us. Let me know what you guys think about these results. Over here in the women's section, I found some tights. Normally 50 bucks. They got them on sale here for $16.99. What's the ranking on these? 200,000. Does have some reviews. $44 is what it's going for. This is not a bad thing right here. $16.99. I don't know. I think I do like what I'm seeing here. We can go ahead and snatch these too. Found some more tights over here. $45 at the tag for $19.99. The ranking is a little bit too high, but I think this would definitely pick up because of the time of year that we're in. Found some more sweats over here that I'm gonna look up. What do you guys think about these? $45 for $19, not too bad. So let's go ahead and check upstairs. So far we got 3 clothing items we're gonna take with us. The 2 jerseys and the tights, along with those shoes that we got on hold for us. So far so good today. So they got some of these in grade school sizes too. I definitely like this colorway a little bit better though. Wow. That blue is just popping on here, 49 bucks. Let's check out the comps on these really quick. When I look them up, they actually don't pop up, unfortunately. This colorway doesn't. That's interesting. But the shoe is crazy. I do like this colorway. What do you guys think? I think this might be better than the other colorway we found. So it looks like they have another pair. I have the last one that has not sold yet, but they still have another pair of these, which are pretty pricey. It's making me think about it. I usually try to wait till one sells before I buy another one, you know what I mean? We got some Adidas here in kind of a Celtics colorway. Not mad at these at all. Not a big fan of them, but maybe there is some value to them. 39 bucks. What do you guys think about these? And they actually have a bunch of them, as you guys can see, like 4 right there in front of our face. Best find in the men's section right here. These Under Armours, not a big fan of them. If you guys know about these hovers, let me know. Colorway is pretty cool though. $54, 55 bucks. Easy pass for me. Okay, we got some Under Armour for 60 bucks. Not mad at these. And then these also, we saw these here last time. The comps weren't too good for me, especially for $60. Looking these up because we want to make sure we're not leaving nothing too crazy. The ask for these are not bad. They want $55 for them here. So you can kind of make half of what you're doing. Let me see, hold up, what we got. Completed sold, searching results, what we got. How many? Hurry up. 2 of them, $87.55. They want, I'm kind of cool on that, man. So overall, this location has been pretty interesting. We did find some women's athletics and some shoes. So that's not a bad trip at all. Let me know what you guys think is the best find. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. We're gonna leave these shoes, take these jerseys. Actually, I forgot to look up these Adidas. Let's do this right now, see if we're gonna take these or not. Because the slides I had got were definitely good. I haven't sold them yet, but the comps on those was crazy. So let's look up these shoes. Okay, 110, 98, 78. This is not looking as good as I thought it would have been. Let's see what this sold comps are. Nah, we might have to leave these 2. I do like the way they look. They are pretty fire. 1 to 10 scale, I give these a solid 7. Just the design that's on the swooshes, or my bad, the stripes, and the details of them, man. Let me know what you guys think about these, but we're definitely gonna leave these alone.